Hey guys, this is me Shubham and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the conversation or dialogue between two people on how to quit smoking. So this is a very regular dialogue between two person. If we read this dialogue and if we understand this dialogue, I have not given any Hindi or Bengali translation of this dialogue and I will speak slow so that you can understand the conversation easier. Okay, so without wasting any time guys, let's start. First of all, Rajesh. Okay, let me check the pen. Yeah, it's done. First of all, Rajesh. Hello, Bijen. How are you? Bijen. Hello, Rajesh. I am not so well. I have been suffering from cough for some time. Rajesh. I heard that you have become a chain smoker. Smoking may be one of the major reasons of your sickness. Bijen. Actually, you are true. My doctor has also said the same. Rajesh. Why don't you give up smoking? I think you are not aware of the dangers of smoking. Bijen. You know what, Rajesh? I tried to give up, but I could not. Rajesh. Do you feel any problem to focus on your work? Bijen, you are correct. I cannot even concentrate on my studies without smoking a bidi. Okay, this is a nice word. Rajesh, I understand your situation. I may help you overcome this situation. Bijen, please help. I am getting terribly addicted day by day. Rajesh, I am telling you as I also was an addict few years back. So I know how I left this evil habit. Bijen, what exactly did you do to overcome this? Rajesh, I started practicing yoga because when we feel stressed, we feel smoking. We feel so because at that time we have less oxygen supply. Smoking gives us temporary relief but hampers permanently. That's why we should practice yoga. Bijen, sounds interesting. Please tell me how can I start this yoga practice? Rajesh, the best time of practicing yoga, I guess, in the early morning, in empty stomach. Sorry, this should be empty. Okay, EMPTY. Okay, empty stomach. We have our body at its purest form in the morning. But if you study till late night and you wake up late, you can do it later. Bijen, can I do this while I am study? Because I study for hours. Rajesh, yes, you can, but not just after eating. Whenever you feel like smoking, you perform 3 yoga asanas that will fill you with oxygen and will remove your stress as well as not prone you to smoke. Bijen, what are the 3 yoga asanas should I perform while I feel smoking? Rajesh, Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati and Bhramri. Please watch YouTube for proper posture and breathing techniques. Believe me, it will make your life more beautiful. Bijen, I think I should not delay. I think I should not delay. I will start from today. So this is something they have a conversation. After that, what happens? After 3 months, they suddenly meet at the park at 6 in the morning. Okay, guys. So what happens? We will check that after 3 months. Okay, in the morning at 6 a.m. Bijen. Sorry, Bijen. Hi, Rajesh. Good morning. Rajesh, what a pleasant surprise. Good morning, Bijen. I can't believe we are meeting at 6 a.m. at the park and that too for working out. Bijen, yes, Rajesh. I am here with two of my friends. We come here for 5 days in a week. Rajesh, what about your smoking habit? Bijen, I have quit smoking permanently. Thank you, Rajesh. Rajesh, I am very happy for you. Did not you feel strong desire to smoke? Bijen, yes, I felt, but whenever I felt that, I would perform that yoga to keep my mind cool and it kept me away from smoking. First 3 weeks was tough, but slowly the desire and past habit permanently left. Rajesh, I feel very happy to help you give up smoking. Now it's your responsibility to do the same with one of your close friends who has the same habit. Bijen, I already did with two of my friends. They are also in the process. Thank you once again, Rajesh. Rajesh, I think we should meet this weekend. Please let me know if you are free. Bijen, I surely will after checking my schedule. See you, Rajesh. So this was the topic for today, guys. I hope you understood the topic well. If you understood the topic well and if you found something helpful for your English speaking and English learning, please comment. And also if you would like to see this kind of more videos, please comment and ask for the topics. I will make videos for your improvement. So without any delay, see you in the next video. Till then, tata bye bye, take care and Jai Hind.